This HMDA exception report covers 32 fields pulled from 6 pages of a scanned loan application. Every field extracted, coded to its HMDA number, and validated against Regulation C edit checks. The whole thing took minutes, not the usual weeks. A compliance officer at a 300-loan community bank opens the first scanned URLA. Borrower identity on page 1. Income on page 2. Demographics buried on page 8. Each field has a specific HMDA code. Each code has rules. There are 299 more applications behind this one.
Page 8. Race field, blank. Is that information not provided or declined to provide? Different HMDA codes. Property value reads $450,000 on one page, $500,000 on another. Both checkboxes for visual observation of race are marked. February disappears into this. A spreadsheet template doesn't read scanned documents. A general chat assistant can pull the loan amount, but won't map race to code 6 when the checkbox is blank. Integration platforms connect structured data. A 9-page URLA with handwritten entries isn't structured data. An AI agent reads each page against a field playbook. Loan purpose refinance maps to code 3.1. A blank race checkbox becomes a flag, not a gap. Insurance teams filing state regulatory reports from scattered adjuster notes hit the same wall. Different vocabulary, same extraction plus validation pattern. The exception report tells you exactly where to look. 5 critical flags. Race needs code 6, sex needs code 3, lien status is missing. Quality checks passed. Loan-to-income ratio at 1.93 is within bounds. Data gaps list what needs manual resolution, like a county field that requires geocoding. Healthcare teams extracting quality measures from clinical notes get the same structure. Flags, not raw data. The left side is what February used to look like. Blank cells, inconsistent values, edit checks done by hand. The right side is what the compliance officer reviews now. 5 exceptions instead of 500 records. 3 days instead of 4 weeks. lasa.ai builds agents for compliance processes, where document extraction meets regulatory validation. See what this looks like for your filing.